So how to add Google Keyboard or Gkeyboard on your Samsung? For that, go to your Play Store and type here Gkeyboard, G keyboard or Google Keyboard. This one, just install it. Once download done, press on open. Then enable in setting. Now just enable this Gkeyboard. Press on OK. Now go back. Select input method. Now select Gkeyboard. Press on done. And now if you go to your keyboard, then you can see the Gkeyboard is available here. And if you want to change it again, just press on this keyboard area icon, this icon. Then you can see all of your is the Samsung. Then its default keyboard back again. So that's it. This is how you can easily add Google Keyboard on your Samsung device. Hope video